address.
All right, here we are at 399 405 Blackstone Street, Woonsocket. The left side is the entrance to 405. Right side is the entrance to 399, which is the second and third floor. 399 is both the second and third floor. So we're gonna head up now and take a look at each of them. All right, and this here is the rear entrance to the first floor and the third floor. As you can see, it's back side of the house. All right, walking into the back entrance, and this is the entrance to the first floor. This is the stairwell to the third floor, and this is the doorway to the basement where we will start. All right, so this is the stairway heading down to the basement. All right, and
this is our first smoke detector.
This is our first smoke detector right here. Okay.
Oops.
Give it better lighting. Okay.
Make sure you get the date and tell them what it is.
Okay, it is a Kitty dual smoke alarm with the carbon as well, and you can see the date, 2016, March 30th.
All right, stay on it because we're gonna set it off.
Do the testing, yep. Okay. All right.
Ready?
Yep.
Now we're going to the second smoke detector in the basement.
All right, so now going to second smoke detector in the basement, and you'll be able to see that also going off. And we are going to show you the back side of this one now. Date and any other pertinent information.
I can't see it, so you'll have
That's
to take
okay.
it.
Yep, okay, Kitty. Again, that same March 30th, 2016. Pull it back so you have everything. Okay. All right, so this is that second smoke and basement going off again. Heading up to show interconnectedness. We're going up the stairs to the second floor. And you can now see second floor hall is going off properly. Okay, second floor hall, Kitty, once again, March 30th, 2016. Just make sure you get that. Okay, and there's the full boat. Okay. All right, so this is that first basement smoke. Now, going back up basement stairs to show you the rear entrance hall smoke detector. And you can hear that going off properly. All right. Okay, so this is the back side of the first floor rear entry hall that we just showed you. Once again, there's the date, same Kitty alarm. Okay, this is that rear entry, and we're walking up the steps to show you the third floor hallway smoke. Okay, now here we are.
All interconnected.
All interconnected. Okay, very nice. Okay, so this is that third floor hallway smoke alarm. Once again, Kitty, same date as all of them you've seen. Okay, now there we are. Okay, showing interconnectedness. This is the third floor hallway, entrance to the third floor unit. And walking through to show this smoke detector, which is the hall of the
front hall
of the third floor.
Old things to hurt my ears.
That's when you know.
My ears are no good.
All right, we got Kitty. March 30th, 2016. Once again, this is the third floor hall entrance. All right, so it's that third floor hall. Going down to the second floor hall to show this one. All right, so this is that second floor hall. Once again, it's Kitty, same date. Make sure you can see it all. Okay, so second floor, front hallway. Now, heading down to first floor, front hallway.
We'll go to the first floor.
All right, so here we have the first floor hall by the front. Same thing, Kitty, same date. Okay. All right, once again, this is the first floor hall that you just saw functioning.
Video it right out.
And goes right out the front door here.
Come down here, turn around, show the front door with the number. That's fine.
All right, and there's that front door, 399 Blackstone.
Goes to the first, goes to third, second and third floor.
And this does again head to the second and third floor, which you saw those smokes are functioning.
We'll go to the second floor.
All right, so going down
Then you can go.
basement stairs once again. All right, so we've got that smoke. And this is the laundry. Right here is the heating for the first floor.
Slow down.
Okay, and then over here we've got just a closet. All right, electrical. Okay, and here.
Good.
And then in here we have the heating for second and third floor. And the rest of the electrical. And then here you can see the 3 water heaters. They've all been upgraded.
And a closet.
You got another closet right here. Okay. And takes us back through here.
Second floor hallway.
And then this
Up to the second floor.
right here goes up to the second floor hallway with again that other smoke. All right, so walking in to the first floor, got the kitchen here. It's that first floor unit. Okay, walking over to the first bedroom, which is right over here. All right, and that is 48 inches from the blades. And over here, we have bedroom 2. Bedroom 2 is right here. Alright, that's 5 feet from the blades. And then we have the living room right here. Alright, all functioning and all interconnected. All right, and you can see the ceiling fan here is over 36 inches away from the smoke detector.
Keep going, keep going.
Yep. All right, and take a look at the back side of this one. Okay, we've got a September 23rd, 2016. Another Kitty alarm. All right.
Detector.
All right, so living room detector, first floor unit.
Scan.
Just kind of scan. And you can hear it going off here. Yep.
The interconnect.
So we've got first floor unit, living room. This is just the back side. It's June 20th, 2016, Kitty. All right. All right, so second bedroom here. Just showing you it is 5 feet fan here from this second bedroom smoke detector. I'm gonna set it off. All right, you can hear that one going off. All right, connects to here. Yeah. All right, and then over here to the first bedroom, the only other one. All right, just showing the interconnectedness. All right, just showing backside of this second bedroom, first floor unit. I got a March 30th, 2016. Once again, they're all kitty. And just making sure, I don't know if you need that information, okay. All right, so walking in here, second floor unit. See the kitchen here. Walking in, taking a left here, going to the first bedroom. There's no fan in here. You can hear the smoke alarm and functioning properly. All right. All right, first bedroom, second floor unit. Got a January 20th, 2016. Once again, all kitties. And should be all the information, make sure, all the usual, okay. All right, first bedroom, second floor unit, coming out to the living room. And here it is going off here. Okay, this is living room, second floor unit. We get a June 20th, 2016 kitty. All right, all the pertinent info. Yep. All right, second unit, living room. All right, this is second bedroom here. You can hear this going on. And this open doorway connects to that first bedroom. Just to show they are all interconnected. And this here is the second bedroom, second floor unit. We've got a March 30th, 2016. Kitty once again. All right. So here we are again, just showing second bedroom. This right here is a door that heads to the hall that heads downstairs to the front. All right. And as you can see here, from the living room, another access point to the hallway. All right, so this is second floor unit, just showing the living room and access to that front hall, living room, and then it's just a lovely porch out here. It's pretty nice. So if you're interested, you should make an offer someday if it's on sale. All right, so this is the front entrance to the third floor unit. And walking over, and we have the hallway smoke detector right here.
Okay. That's it.
All right, and we have the...
Okay, that's it.
All right, so this is another kitty. We have here June 20th, 2016. And there's everything for that one. Once again, third floor hallway in the unit. All right, so this is first bedroom off of the kitchen. And it should be starting up. Now this one as well. All right, so this is first bedroom.
Back up.
Here's that smoke. Okay. All right, so this is the backside of the first bedroom door. And let's see date, March 30th, 2016. Another kitty alarm. Okay, so here we have the second bedroom and the third and final smoke for this third floor unit.
All right, go through.
All right, so you see that one going off here and going off right here. All right, once again, third floor unit, second bedroom, another kitty alarm. Got that March 30th, 2016. And there is everything for that. All right, so here we are back at the front of the house. Once again, 405 399 Blackstone Street, Woonsocket, Rhode Island. Once again, that's an entrance, front entrance to the first floor on the left. This is front entrance to the second and third floor.
Slow down.
Okay, now coming around the side. Here we have the rear entrance to the second floor, right here. And as we swing around, we have the parking lot back here, okay. And then we have the rear entrance to the first and third floor as well. Just show you the whole house again, backside here.
Basement entrance.
We have basement entrance here.
Basement entrance there.
Another basement entrance here. And just showing you now the back side of the house. Okay.
Keep going.
All right, and bringing it full circle. Brings us back to the front. Once again, front of 405 399 Blackstone, Woonsocket. I hope you've enjoyed this smokes video. Thank you, guys.